Good morning, guys. Nelo here with a very beautiful face. You guys already know, with a very beautiful but swollen face because I literally just woke up. Let's just say 5 minutes ago. I just brushed my teeth and rinsed my face. Look at toothpaste. Oh no, that wasn't toothpaste. That was what's it called? Shea butter. I use shea butter on my lips. Oh yeah, I know I'm looking crazy, but we're about to change that this morning. Okay, so I did my nails yesterday and I love them so much. Can you guys see this? Like, can you see? This is my birthday month. In case you don't already know, my birthday is in a week-ish, and I've done my birthday nails. I love it. Like, absolutely gorgeous. I'm sure you guys can see. Absolutely gorge, like over gorge the word nails. Okay, so I've done my birthday nails. I'm doing my hair today. I actually want to see if I can film like the whole process of the hair and upload it separately because my style, I feel like a lot of people are gonna like it. I can't wait. I'll show you guys the attachment and everything maybe in the video that I'll do for the hair, hopefully, because if that being said, let me do a quick unboxing. So like I just told you, it's my birthday month and I've officially received my first birthday present. I actually look legit mad. The way my hair is, I trimmed my hair yesterday. I washed it, trimmed it, moisturized it, whatever, like put oils and all that good stuff. And I'm just waiting for them to come and do it this morning. But I got my first official birthday present. So I've already opened one. So this is one of the items. This is from my days, by the way. So this palette, so when we went to Dubai, we wanted to buy this palette so bad. They had the sample, but they didn't have it in store. And I really wanted to buy it, but they didn't have it. So I ended up not buying it. And somehow I just forgot about it. Only for Adeze to gift me this palette. And this is like the best palette I've ever come across in my whole life. Is that gorgeous, as in the colors. There's just something about all the colors inside this palette. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. I use orange a lot. This like burnt orange. I use it a lot. And I also use it as a blush. Then all these brown transition colors, this dark brown for like smoking. And I also contour with this, or a mixture of this and this. I can highlight with this. I can blush with this. I can blush with this. Like, it's one of those palettes that when you're traveling, you just carry one palette. So my next trip, I'm definitely just going with this palette. I'm not going with a blush. I'm not going with a highlight. And I'm also not going with a contour. So it reduces the amount of things you have to carry. Because in a normal day, you carry a big palette and then every other thing. I love this palette. It's called, it's from Sigma. And it's called the Corderosa palette. Yeah, the Sigma Corderosa. I hope that's how it's pronounced. Anyways, it makes me so happy. I can't wait to do makeup. Since I got this palette, like I've just been waiting to do makeup so that I can use it. And then I've not opened this one yet, so this is the next thing. And I can already see that this is a brush set. I'm just realizing that this is the Vika Bell brush set I've always wanted. How did Adize know that I want this? I think I probably mentioned it to her. I've always wanted this Vika Bell. I think it's a Nigerian brand. Is it not? Maybe not. I don't even remember. I think, is it not? Anyways, I remember I've always wanted this Vika Bell. Oh my gosh. This is the bag. It came in this bag. So it is the Vika Bell Lux Pro Artist Collection, 25 pieces professional brush sets. I'm so happy. Yeah, whatever. This is so nice. And I think this is the bag I'll travel with, like when I'm traveling, put my makeup inside. So I'm just going to leave the brushes inside, add this palette. This is actually such a thoughtful bag to put these brushes. I'm just going to leave the brushes inside, add the palette and foundation and just a few things. I think so. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is a lot of brushes, like a lot of brushes. Literally every single brush you need is here. You cannot need another brush if you own this palette, if you own this brush set. What? Let me just open a few for you guys. Oh, this is so nice. This feels really nice. Can you guys see? I hope you guys can see. Like, it's so soft. It's so soft. This is so soft. This will be perfect for like foundation. Let me see. It has eyeshadow. It has everything. Like, there's no brush you're looking for, seriously, that you won't find in this brush set. I'm so happy. Oh, this is going to be so beautiful for powder. Can you guys see? Can you see how soft? Like the hair strips are so soft. Yeah, all over face powder for sure. I feel like I'm going to just tag what I'll be using them for, only because I have this new printer that I'm obsessed with. But yeah, thank you so much, Days Though. Thank you. I love it. Absolutely love it. I can't wait to use this. I cannot wait. I can't wait. Thank you so much. I'm definitely traveling with this makeup bag. Yup. Whew, that was nice. And another thing I forgot to show you guys. Yeah, so I got this package from my Girl Life's brand, Mira Cosmetics. Absolutely gorgeous brand. The items are so beautiful. It came with this mirror, this branded mirror. Cute. I've not opened my black pencil because I currently have a black one I'm using. Some things are not here anymore because I've put them in my makeup basket. But the packaging is so gorgeous. See, let me tell you something. These blending sponges are the best I have ever used in my whole entire life. No cap, I'm not exaggerating. See, if you buy it and you don't like it, I will pay you back. That is how much I love this. That's how much I truly believe that this is the best sponge I've used in my whole life. So I've already opened two. These two are already in my makeup bag right now. I've not used this one. I just saved it just in case. You know, these things used to carry leg. But let me tell you, you people cannot tell how soft this sponge is, and I've not wet it yet. Like, it's not wet and it is so freaking soft. We already know, Shada, anything that Life's hand is inside is always a 20/10. No cap, okay? You need to go see. Even if you don't buy anything, you need to buy this. She also sent me like her setting powders. You know what, I have to show you guys. Let me go and show you guys. I'm sorry, the lighting here is off, but if I talk without showing people, you will not understand. So this is the other setting powder from Life's brand that I just finished using. Take a look. It's empty, like nothing is remaining inside. This is how much I love this powder. I didn't just want to tell you guys because it's just be as if I'm talking. Like, it is completely empty. And now this is the new one that I just got. This one is still very full. So when I tell you that I love this, best believe that I'm in love. So old one and new one, old one and new one. Love. In fact, over love, they worry me for this particular powder. Yeah, so when I tell you guys you need to grab it, you need to grab it. And they have it in other colors. So I want to start using this cinnamon as my face powder. So this is darker. You can see that this is darker. So I want to use that as my all over face powder. This one is in nutmeg. I think this is the darkest. Yeah, this one is really dark. It's looking lighter from this video, but this one is the darkest setting powder. You can also use it as all over face powder. And then this one is a translucent one, the ginger. This is actually another one I want to add to my everyday makeup because I love translucent powder, so it looks lighter than the one I have. So the one I have is yellow. This is the translucent one. So this one doesn't leave any color. It will like set your face and all that without, you know, leaving any color. Whereas the other one is yellow, so it's going to give you that yellow look. I just have moods for both of them. But yeah, that's all for today's unboxing. I'll see you guys in the rest of this vlog. Oh, that nice and weak. Go and set it up. Yeah! She did. Go and set it up. See it there. Is crying. I have to go.
You know this thing. You know. Why would I tell you? You don't want to be surprised. Don't worry. Even now you're good, I'll send for you. Yeah, but you said oh my gosh. Shineki now. That God don't reward you for me. Wherever you bring this money from art, God will not leave the thousands we for you.
Amen.
Amen.
Several days later.
Just setting this. I had to watch YouTube video. Thank God for YouTube. Oh. Everything is on YouTube. I should just tell you, know. When this thing came, it came in pieces, so. I started watching YouTube videos. That's why I was able to fix it. Is it okay? I think this side is okay. Now to do this.
Engineer Mrs.
Engineer Mrs. Maybe small.
That's in real screwdriver. I'll be spanner since you don't know where to even school.
I don't blame you, that because you know me reach house. I don't figure it out. Because you know me reach house. And why? In Igbo, we used to say makane malumuno. Do you know what that means? I literally just told you. Because you know
But I know now, that one is easy now.
so this is for here. I'm going to put this there for now. I feel so proud of myself. So I just set this machine up, and tomorrow, so let me tell you, I should let's buy material tomorrow, so that she will sell like 5 boo-boos for me under 2 days. Because so let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You are about to see me rock boo-boo, different types, different styles. Anyhow, boo-boo is about to be my only uniform from now on, because voila. Anyways, I think we're done. I think we're done. This is the carton of the sewing machine. It's called Loki. I bought it from Lagos. It's a butterfly one. But yeah, I feel proud though. I feel very proud of myself.
Engineer Mrs.
If it is to do after I put it up, when you're doing it, the leg is moving by itself. But I also bought this. They said that this is the thing that makes it automatic. But I don't know how to connect this. Where is it supposed to go? I have no idea. But this is the thing that makes it automatic, Sha. But I'm sure she will know how to connect it, so that you don't have to do your leg like this. You can just maybe on it from somewhere. I'm proud of myself.
Well done.
Thank you.